All right, busy time right now on the farm. We just got back. We're hauling some pigs if you can't hear them. We got to get these guys unloaded and settled into their barn stall. Then we got to run to the house, drop this trailer, get our gooseneck trailer, and then we're gonna go start hauling a couple tractors, and we're gonna probably look at cleaning up the property. The normal walkway from the alley into this stall here, there's a bit of a step, good 2-foot drop, and that just seems easier to let the pigs walk that way. That's what we're gonna do. Come on. Hey, let's go, let's go. No, they're just unsure. She's just seeing, pigs are very, very smart. Super smart. Come on. Keep her going. Well, we got them in the pen kind of in a hurry. Got them some water. They're going to get settled. They got plenty of brush and weeds and grass and whatnot to pick around in. We're in a race against daylight right now. Drop the cow trailer, hook up to the gooseneck. We got to drive about 10 minutes, and we're going to load up the big tractor and haul it about 12 miles out to the main farm and see what time allows. This time of year, you know, daylight's getting short, so if you have off the farm jobs, you're already limited there. And then you also got to factor in weather. We have big rainstorm coming in for the next couple days, so we'd like to get started this evening and wrap up in the morning, hopefully, before we get washed out with this storm. But we will see. Next day now, we ran out of daylight, as you can tell. We just got over here to the barn. We got a few bags of feed for the hogs. We got the trailer. We're gonna put a 4-wheeler and another tractor on, and then we'll head over and start getting to work finally out at the main farm. Can already tell our water setup is going to be a problem. These are ex-show pigs, so they're just kind of bratty, but they've already knocked the water over several times while we've been filling it up. We did create them a little bit of a waller, hopefully trying to alleviate some of that. We moved a small feed trough in here to feed in, give them space and stuff. They're only here another month until they go to butcher, so we're trying to make it work without investing too much money in a better setup for the pigs. It's learning as we go. Right now, we're feeding these pigs about 7 or 8 pounds a day per head of this ADM swine grower. I mentioned earlier that they only have about a month, a little over a month left until their butcher date. So we're pretty happy with what this is doing for us. I did not empty the bags out into this feed bin because I still have some feed in the bottom of it from that we feed our steers with, which, as you can tell behind me, we don't have steers right now. They went to butcher just a couple days ago and we've not brought more in yet. That is We're back out here. It is the 3rd day since I started this video. As you can tell, we have so much of this done, about probably 3/4 of it. The very back quadrant up there, and then you can't really see it, but the old hay yard and the old rodeo arena is really all that's left to cut. This mess right here, this little patch is a pile of scrap metal from an old pipe fence that me and Wyatt tore out. If you've been a part of the channel, we had videos doing that a little over a year ago. And then this mess right here on the other side of my truck, some of these nasty Bradford pears split in half, and we chopped them up and made a burn pile and never burned it. So that is another project, but the bush hogging for the most part is done, thankfully. We're gonna go wrap it up now, and then we got farm animals to take care of and see what else we can get into. That is a wrap on mowing. We got a couple last little things to do, not today. Get these portable panels moved. We got our big corral pen back that way. We're going to take that over to the barn property. Then we got some feed troughs, creep feeder, different things like that. A couple trailer loads of things we're going to move over to the barn property. Don't know what we'll do with it yet, but got to get it over there. I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Hope to be more consistent with it in the future. If you hadn't already, please like and subscribe. Follow along on our first generation farm. We appreciate everything.